Hello everyone, welcome to Focal Point. This was the question asked in GATE 2018 and we are going to see what will be the output of it. So what we are going to do in here, we are going to call our count 1024 and we have to say that how many times this print function will be executed. Okay, what is happening in here, we are checking that if our y is equals to 1, then we will be coming out of this condition, and inside this, if this is true, then if x is equals to 1, then we will be coming out of this condition. Okay, and else will be executed in here. So this is the value of x and this is the value of y, and both are 1024. Okay, so first this condition is true and this condition is also true, then this print statement will be executed. After that, x will be reduced by divided by 2. Okay, so next value will be 512. Again this function will be called, this condition will be true again this printf will be executed and this value will be divided by 2, and that's why it will be 256, and so on will be, it will go to 1. Okay, so how many times this printf will be executed? 10 times. Okay, so our till 2, this will be printed by 10 times. Okay, so when our 1,1024 will be coming in here, and when it will be called again, then our this condition will be false and this else will be executed. So now our value of y will be reduced to 1023. Okay, and this function will be again executed by 1024 comma 1023. Again this will be executed 10 times. Okay, again this value will be reduced to 1022, so it will be executing by 203 times, and every time this printf will be executing by 10 times. Okay, so why 1023 times? Because at the 1024 times this condition will be false, and that's why it will come out of this condition. Okay, so this, because of y, this will be executed 1023 times, and every time it will be this printf will be executed by 10 times. Okay, so how many times this printf will be executed? That will be 10230. So a is the correct answer of it. Every time I'm calling this function, x is divided by 2, and again this function is called. So if x is equal to 1024, then it will be executed 10 times, and when this condition is false, it will be coming in the else condition, and again this x value will be initialized by 1024 and y value will be decreased. Okay, so every time, for every value of y, this printf will be executed by 10 times. Okay, that's why 1023 because of y, and so because of x, this will be executed 10 times. Okay, and totally it will be executed by 10230 times. Okay, so a will be the answer of it. So thank you so much. So this is the answer of it. We will see some more examples. Thank you so much.